Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mookie. We got a great episode coming up. I'm going to make Spam Musubi for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So let's get right into it. Roll the intro to Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I got some Spam Musubi. Check out how I made it. Alright, I got the rice. It's still warm. I don't have any sushi seasoning, so I'm just using a little bit of mirin, which is like a sweet rice vinegar, I believe. It's Japanese anyway. Frying the spam's going to get the sliminess right off of there. I'm going to give it a little hit of hoisin, like a nice Chinese type barbecue sauce. It is just awesome. This will add like a nice little sweet glaze. Don't be scared of the spam. Do not fear the spam. You'll try it, you'll like it, you'll learn to love it. It's Hawaii's #1 protein, next to awesomely fresh fish, of course. When I was in Hawaii, you could buy musubi molds, but I don't know why you'd want to do that. You have a perfectly good mold here, the exact same shape as the spam. So this is your mold right here, the spam can, just the way nature intended it. All right, here's the move. I got the my mold that God intended me to use. Going to do a little bit of saran wrap, tuck that on in. Just going to grab a little bit of the rice that I seasoned. It's still warm. And then going to pack it in. I forgot to wet my hands. If you wet your hands, the rice doesn't stick to your hands. And then goes my nicely glazed spam. And a little bit of seaweed for decoration. And then we're going to pull it on out. And give it a good twisty. And keep that thusly in the fridge. And it'll form into a perfect musubi. Alright, to go with my Spam Musubi, we're going to do a drink. This drink is actually named after Mookie. I call it Mookie's Revenge. So I got a nice hurricane glass. We're gonna go 2 healthy ounces of Malibu Rum. That's a coconut flavored rum. 2 ounces of cranberry. We'll go a little shot of Marichino Cherry juice. And 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And 2 ounces of passion fruit juice. You know, my girlfriend told me I'm very passionate. She said, Chappy, you're passionate. I said, what? I'm passionate? She said, the liquor store, you're passionate. All right, and I got a nice garnish. And that's my Spam Musubi and Mookie's Revenge. Thanks for... Where are you going? Thanks for watching Appies with Chappy by the Lake.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie, and I'm Chappy. And what's that, Mookie? Mookie says, life is hard. That's just the way it goes. What else, Mookie? Oh, sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.